The P0030 code refers to a problem in the oxygen sensor heater circuit, Bank 1, Sensor 1. What does this mean? Oxygen sensors need to warm up very quickly to function properly and send accurate data to the engine computer. This code indicates a general malfunction in the electrical circuit that powers the heater for this specific sensor, the one located before the catalytic converter on the side of the engine that includes cylinder 1. The most common symptoms are an illuminated check engine light. Generally, there are no other immediately noticeable performance symptoms, but over the long term, you could experience increased fuel consumption and higher emissions because the computer is not receiving accurate data to optimize the mixture. So, if the P0030 code pops up, the first thing you should do is check the code with an OBD2 scanner. It's pretty common for the issue to be a faulty oxygen sensor, particularly the internal heater of that sensor. Next, you'll want to visually inspect the sensor and its wiring for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. The wiring is super important here. A broken wire, a short circuit, or even a poor connection in the heater circuit could be what's causing the trouble. You should also check the fuses related to the oxygen sensors because a blown fuse can cut power to the heater. And hey, don't ignore the P0030 code. Ignoring it prevents the computer from optimizing the air-fuel mixture, which results in higher fuel consumption. And in the long run, it could damage the catalytic converter by operating outside its optimal parameters.